Rainy days remind us to slow down and are an opportunity to turn inwards and really tune into our needs. Maybe even give us space to deal with things we've been putting off or neglecting. If you're lucky enough to be at home on a rainy day, here are some ideas to unwind and make yourself as cozy as possible. There's something about the contrast between the warm setting that you make for yourself indoors and the cold, gloomy outdoors. It just kind of makes you grateful to be inside where you have access to all of these things. I think that's one of the reasons that I like rainy days so much, is it's just a reminder that there are so many things that we live with on a daily basis that are right there, accessible for us to have happiness and to extract happiness, even just to be comfortable and to really enjoy existing in the present moment, to tend to yourself and your inner life. Cozy sweaters and socks are a staple pretty much every day of the week for me, but on a rainy day, it's a must. I have to be wearing something warm and cozy, and I'll go out of my way to make sure it's something that I really love and enjoy for that extra element of coziness. I think rainy days are all about catering to the senses. The sight of the rain, the sound of the rain, the sound of a crackle candle, and the warm ambiance of having all of these candles lit and just the smells wafting around the room and around your house. I also like to open a window because I just like to have the extra rain sounds coming in, and I like to have a little bit of that crisp air coming in as well when I'm wrapped up in all of these warm blankets. Because of it being a rainy fall day, I couldn't think of a drink more fitting than pumpkin spice coffee. This is the pumpkin spice creamer by Coffee Mate Natural. It's got that real cream taste, so I definitely prefer it to those really sugary creamers. It's a lot more toned down with the perfect hint of sweetness. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's set on the northeast coast of Scotland and is about a writer dealing with ancestral memory. Each chapter switches back and forth from her life and what she's writing and emphasizes how they parallel each other. I think this is a perfect book for this kind of weather. I like to throw my blanket in the washer and dryer, that way it's nice and warm when I'm ready to use it. There is nothing wrong with temporarily rearranging your space. I like to set it up so I'm by a window and I can look out at the rain and also listen to it. I think there's no better activity on a rainy day than to just open a book that you've really been wanting to read, or one that you're currently reading. Let me know in the comments if you're reading anything good right now and what it's about. I think it's so soothing simply watching the wind blow and the rain fall and listening to it. There's just so many sensations that go into a rainy day that makes me just love them so much and get so excited when I know it's gonna rain. Cuddling pets is about the coziest thing you could do, so I can't recommend that more. This typically isn't something that we have to schedule out time for. It's something that kind of just happens. Putting up some warm string lights can help make your interior feel more warm and bright. Rainy days can feel really gloomy with the lack of color, so I just like to add as much color and as much warmth to my interior as possible. I also decided to spend some time setting some goals. This was probably the most productive thing I did this day, but it really made me have a clear mind and made me much more relaxed for the rest of the day. When I think of chilly fall days, I think of nourishing warm food. I feel like soup is a staple for chilly days as well. This was a tea blend that I made for myself. I made a hot milk tea latte with chamomile, lavender, and rose petals, and some hot frothed milk. I was really looking forward to using this new teapot that I got at the consignment shop, and I felt like this was a perfect opportunity to try it out. I really enjoyed being artistic and intentional about this drink. And even though it took a little bit longer than it normally takes, I felt like I was really living in the present moment and being mindful while making it. Warm drinks are something that just really put me at peace. And of course, I had to make some baked goods. These are just some brownies with walnuts. They were so good and such a warm, cozy way to end the night.